Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I will be showing you the tips and tricks how you can keep your laptop cool. If you are facing the overheating issues on your laptop or system, this video is for you. I will show you how you can keep it cooler. First of all, what you need to do is you should use your laptop in a plain surface like table, and do not use it anywhere like on the sofas and also the bed sheets and polyester fabrics. You just need to use the plain surface like table. First of all, this is the tip number one for you. Now second tip is, if you are still facing the overheat issue, you can buy this, and you can see there are fans on it, and when you run it, it will absorb the overheat from your laptop and will wipe out that. Let me turn it on to show you how it will be impact the CPU uses. You just need to plug in this onto your computer. It should have the USB and it will start like this, and you can see it will basically take out all the heating from your laptop and will keep your laptop cooler. So this is step number 2, but this is obviously the paid tip you have, but this is very cool tip to keep your laptop cool and will reduce the CPU and its percentage of heating of your CPU. As you can see, this is a normal core temp. This is a tool, you can check its temperature. Now tip number 3, you need to make sure that these are clean, and you can use your brush to clean this out so that the heating should be out from this way and also this way, and make sure your laptop is proper clean. Now those tips are related to the hardware. Just we need to look for the software as well. Open the edit power plan on your system, and when you go to the power options here, choose the balance one. If you have the higher or the ultimate power plan, choose the balance one so that it can't be reached to 100%. Also change the power settings, and here are some tips and tricks for CPU percentage. Processor power state, minimum should be like this and maximum should not be reached to 100, just leave it 90. Also this 90, and then click on OK. So these are tips to keep your laptop or system cool. And if you are also facing the issues of heating issues, it should fix the issue. Also you need to make sure you can maintenance your system from the hardware perspective. Also if you have the CPU, you can use the thermal paste, the new thermal paste on your CPU, and it should able to cooler your laptop or system. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.